Okay, you guys, I'm coming on here today with some really special secret information. I want to share this with you because I have been in the dark about this for a very long time. For some reason, I turned 63 and I finally got the memo. So I have all these girlfriends and family members and nobody shared this information with me. So I don't want you to be left in the dark too. So here's the scoop. We have to shave our faces. I know, crazy. How come nobody told me this before? I didn't know women had to shave their faces. How come I didn't know that? But now I know it, and there's a reason for it. Apparently, we get peach fuzz on our face, no matter what age we are, and apparently, the older we get, the more fuzz we get on our face. So I finally discovered this, not because any friends told me, not because any family members told me, but because my Saint artist friends told me. So I'm not going to leave you in the dark. I am going to share the information with you. So here's the deal. I found this little thing online. It's called Flawless. It's a little cool electric shaver, but I know apparently these other girls are using things on their faces called a tinkle razor. Okay, tinkle razor. That's really weird, but apparently that works too. So I guess it exfoliates your face, gets rid of the peach fuzz, and your makeup can lay flawlessly on your face. So that's pretty amazing, right? So when I first found out about this, I was a little freaked out. First of all, because I never heard of it. Second of all, I thought if I start shaving my face, I am going to look like the bearded lady from the circus. And I do not want that to happen. So I reluctantly gave it a try. I bought this cool little gizmo. I shaved my face, and you know what? I didn't get a beard. I don't have a beard. It just like cleaned my face really well, got rid of all the little peach fuzz, and I do it maybe every 3 or 4 weeks, and it's all good. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you because I don't feel it's fair that people aren't sharing this information. So ladies, shave your face. It's okay. It's okay. It's going to look so much better. That's all I got for you today. So thanks for joining me, and please share this information. Pass it along to your friends. Share this video. Don't let your other friends go in the dark about this. This is important information, ladies. All right, I love you all. You have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.